My name is Katie Wiley, otherwise known as the Kitchen Wild, here on the Oregon coast. And right now we are gonna make some Lingcod tacos. First things first, spicy sriracha mayo. I'm telling you, I put this stuff on absolutely everything. It is fantastic on fish. We've got our sour cream, mayonnaise, got a little garlic powder, cumin, sea salt, and of course, our sriracha. And this spicy sriracha mayo is gonna be the topping for our Lingcod tacos. All right, everything's ready. It's time to start frying our Lingcod. So for our beer batter, I cheat and I use the Pride of the West batter. And we are here on the Oregon coast. So we are gonna use Rogue Beer, which the brewery is right up the street from where we're standing right now. So we've always gotta represent our Oregon coast breweries. So take a little bit of your Pride of the West, a little Honey Kolsch Rogue. Pour your beer in, give it a good whisk until it's about the consistency of pancake batter, maybe a little bit runnier than that. So I have this beautiful Lingcod here from Federated Seafood. They are just south of here in Florence, Oregon. My friend Sam there, he catches these all fresh, hook and line caught. Make sure your fish is coated on all sides. And now it's time to deep fry it. Our Lingcod is finished and it's beautifully crispy golden brown. Now it's time to assemble our tacos. We're gonna take a couple corn tortillas. Gonna take some of our Lingcod, place them right here. Now it's time to put our tacos together. We sprinkle in a little bit of cabbage, some cherry tomatoes, a little bit of our avocado, a little cilantro on top. And now the spicy sriracha mayo. We're just gonna drizzle a little bit on top. It is that simple. These Lingcod tacos are done and dinner is ready.